Hello everyone, this is Orgo and welcome to my HackerRank SQL problem solution playlist. So the problem we're going to solve today is weather observation station 3. The difficulty level is easy and it's a basic select statement related problem. So let's get into the problem statement. Okay, so the problem says query a list of city names from station. So we have a table called station. Here's the detail of the station table. It has 5 columns: ID, city, state, latitude, and longitude. Okay, so query a list of city names. So we'll only have to show the names of the cities from this station table for cities that have an even ID number. Okay, so here is a condition. What we need to add in where clause, we'll only have to show those cities which have even numbered ID, which means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So print the results in any order, which means we can use ascending or descending, whatever we want, with order by, or even we can just skip the order by clause. Okay, but exclude duplicates from the answer. That means there might have some duplicate city names, so we need to exclude them from the result set or result list. Okay, so let's get into the SQL Server Management Studio and create this table, insert some data, and write the code. So here it is. So this is the create query for the same table we just saw in the problem statement. Okay, and here is some dummy data and insert script. All this script link will be in my description. Okay, let's just see the table first. Stations, it is always a good sign to use alias. So we have 24 rows. So every row has some city, state, latitude, longitude, and ID. So let's write the where clause first. So where we need to only fetch the even numbered IDs. So how we can find the even number? So we know, so it's a basic programming sense. We all know that if we divide an even number with 2, the remainder will be 0. So we're going to calculate the remainder of all the IDs in this table. So how we can do that? If we remember, there is an operator, a percent sign, which is used as mod or modulus in C programming and many other programming languages. So SQL has that same operator here. So we're going to use that modulus. So how it works? Let's just do something like 5 mod 2. So if we divide 5 by 2, the remainder should be 1. So let's just run this code. Yes, the percent sign or the modulus operator is working perfectly. So this is what we're going to do. So what we'll do is we'll say s dot id modulus 2, it should be equals to 0 if the id is divided by 2 and returns remainder 0, that number is even. So let's just run. We can see we now have 12 cities, 12 rows actually, and all the IDs are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 24. All of them are even numbers. So now we just need to fetch the city names, right? Now we have a list of the cities, but we can see Los Angeles, it is here twice, and Houston, it is here twice. So we cannot afford to have any duplicate data. So we need to exclude them or extract them. How? We know SQL Server has distinct, a keyword which only takes the unique data. So we'll use distinct. Okay, it was a spelling error. Okay, so select distinct city from station where ID mod 2 equals to 0. So the query says we're going to select only the distinct cities from this table where ID is even. This is the condition which checks if the ID is even or not. So if we run them, now we have only 10 rows. So we can see Los Angeles, it is here only once. Houston, that is also 1. So duplicate datas are excluded from the list. So this is our solution. We'll add a semicolon. It's a good practice. We'll just copy that and select SQL Server. Now just paste. So we're going to run the code. I'm pretty sure this is going to work. Just wait for it. So here it is. Our query just passed all the test cases. Now we'll just submit the code and this will be a success. Let's see. So here it is. It's a success. So the code is accepted. So this is the solution. We'll come back with another problem in the next episode. Till now, take care.